While the city rushed on above them, a mother and her 2 children were trying to survive beneath the bridge.
Just eat a little, sweetheart. We'll find something better tomorrow. This was never a home, only a place to get through another night.
Children shouldn't grow up like this.
Hi, I'm DIY. I saw your story online. I'm not here to judge you. I just want to understand.
This bridge is only where we survive. I do have a small piece of land, Fand. It belongs to my family had the money to build on it.
So this land is legally yours?
Yes, it's all I have left.
They were not meant to stay under the bridge. Their real future was waiting on a piece of land that still legally belonged to them.
My parents left me this land. I always hoped my children might one day have a home here.
Have a home here. Not under that bridge. Here, on your own land, we'll build your family a real home.
Will we really have our own room?
You'll have a safe place to grow up. They had survived under a bridge, but their next chapter would begin here, on land they could finally call home.
This is the first place your children will run, not hide.
I never thought they would have a yard.
This key belongs to you now.
Then my children finally have a door that locks.
We built it strong, warm, and safe.
Safe. That word feels new.
This room is for resting together.
We used to sleep listening to traffic. Now they can hear the wind.
This room is for you, not just for surviving.
I forgot what it felt like to rest.
One bed for each of you.
Can Teddy sleep here too?
This kitchen is where your family starts again.
I can cook for them every day.
Hot water, clean towels, and privacy.
They won't have to wash in the cold anymore.
This garden will grow with your family.
He has room to run now.
This part can help feed you.
Then this is more than a garden. It's a future.
We made it safe, clean, and useful.
There are fish in our home.
A small flock can help you earn and live.
You didn't just build us a house. You gave us a way forward.
Eggs, ducks, chickens, pin, small things that keep a family going.
Mum, it feels like a real farm.
We came here with nothing.
Now you have a home, land, and a future.